Ready to lead in supplement and cosmetic manufacturing? This program builds real management capability grounded in GMPs and industry practice. Module 1. Regulatory Foundations, Dietary Supplement, and Cosmetic GMPs, Labeling Basics, Suppliers, and Qualification. Module 2. Quality Systems Deviations, CAPA, Change Control, Investigations, and Audit Readiness. Module 3. Documentation Mastery, SOPs, Batch Records, Data Integrity, and Traceability. Module 4. Operations Excellence Production Planning, OEE, Yields, Bottleneck Removal, and Visual Management. Module 5. Risk and Validation Process Validation, Cleaning, Sampling, and Environmental Monitoring. Module 6. People Leadership Safe Behaviors, Shift Handovers, Coaching, and Cross-Functional Alignment. Learn with case studies, checklists, and practical templates you can use tomorrow. Earn a completion certificate and demonstrate job-ready management skills. Master Manufacturing Management. Enroll today, link in the description.
If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.